What's up, everyone? Thank you for checking out my channel. My name is Edward Cuts, and I'm gonna be demonstrating my first haircut. Alright, guys, I have the number 5 right now on top, going against the grain. Bear with me, guys. It's gonna be my first barber tutorial, so if I sound kind of silly, then my fault. I'll get better at it. Alright, guys, for my next step, I'm going to be taking my T outliners and I'm going to be setting in my first guideline. Alright, guys, for my next step, I'm going to be taking my Andes shaver and I'm going to just be balding it out, trying to get that smooth look. Alright, guys, now for my next step on the process, what I usually like to do, I usually like to take my zero and I usually like to leave the lever halfway, and I usually go about half of an inch. You know, it usually works for me, you know, trying to get the fades done faster. Now for my next step, I have the lever all the way closed and I'm taking out that guideline that I created. Alright, guys, now for my next step, I'm going to be taking my number 1 guard and I'm going to be having it all the way closed. And I usually like to go about half an inch. Alright, guys, now with my half guard, I have it all the way closed and I'm gonna start taking out that line that I created with the number 1. Well, not going up too high, because if you go up too high, you're gonna end up creating just another guideline that you're gonna have to come back to later on. guys, now for my next step, I usually like to do the clipper over comb, and I start to remove some of the bulk that's right there on the side. And now guys, what I usually like to do after I finish removing some of that bulk, I usually like to come back with my 1.5 all the way open, and I start to remove some of the dark spots that was left there in his hair. And then now usually what I like to do is just that I usually like to play with the lever right here at this point, just trying to remove some of those dark spots that I see in his hair. Alright guys, this is the haircut. I did cut the clip just by like a minute or two just to make the tutorial a little bit shorter for you guys. But now I'm gonna be moving into the front lineup. I'm right here. I'm gonna be using my my T outliners. These are modified just a little bit, you know, so they are pretty sharp. So what I usually like to do, man, I usually like to keep everything natural as possible, you know. But try your best right here on this part, because me personally, I think the lineup is very important on just how the overall the cut comes out. Now I'm gonna be passing the razor on his edges, you know, so his haircut can come out real crispy. Here my client did ask for me to shape up his eyebrows with a straight razor, so I just went ahead and put it in there for you guys too, so you guys can watch. here I'm just applying a little bit of gel in his hair just to give him that wet look. Me personally, I do like the Elegance gel, so that's what I'm applying on top. Alright guys, this is the end of the video already. Let me know what you think of the haircut in the comment section, and let me know if I need to work on anything, or you may see something that that needs improving. So drop your comments, and we'll see you for the next video guys. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.